Healthy food, healthy you, why it matters. Eating healthy is important, even on a budget. Healthy food gives your body the nutrients it needs. Nutrients give you energy and keep you strong. When you eat healthy, you feel better. You can think clearly and have more energy. Eating healthy also helps prevent sickness. Fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are important for good health. These foods have vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They help your body work its best. You don't need to spend a lot to eat healthy. There are many affordable ways to eat well. Let's explore some tips and tricks. Superstars on a budget, affordable and nutritious foods. Eating healthy doesn't have to break the bank. Some of the most nutritious foods are also easy on the wallet. Beans are a great example. They are packed with protein and fiber, making you feel full and energized. Lentils are another budget-friendly superstar. They are a good source of protein and iron, essential for healthy blood. Oats are a fantastic breakfast option. They are full of fiber, which helps you stay full and satisfied. Don't forget about eggs. They are a versatile source of protein and other nutrients. Remember, eating healthy on a budget is about making smart choices. Smart spending, stretching your food budget. Planning your meals is a great way to save money on groceries. Before you go shopping, decide what you will eat each day. This helps you buy only what you need and avoid waste. Making a grocery list is also helpful. Write down the ingredients you need for your planned meals. This way, you won't be tempted to buy unnecessary items. Look for sales and discounts at the grocery store. Check the weekly flyers and stock up on items that are on sale. Buying in bulk can also save you money, especially for non-perishable items like rice and pasta. Planning ahead is the cornerstone of mastering the art of meal prep. It all starts with a well-thought-out plan. By dedicating a little time each week to organize your meals, you can transform your eating habits and lifestyle. You know, meal prepping is a game changer for saving money and eating healthy. It allows you to control your portions and ingredients, ensuring you get the nutrients you need. Set aside some time each week to cook larger batches of food. This can be a fun and rewarding activity, especially if you involve family or friends. This can be grains, beans, or roasted vegetables. These staples are versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. These pre-cooked ingredients can then be used throughout the week in different meals. Imagine the convenience of having ready-to-go components for your meals. For example, roasted chicken one night can be used for sandwiches the next day. This not only saves time, but also reduces food waste. Packing your lunch instead of buying it saves money and ensures a healthy meal. You have full control over what goes into your lunchbox. Use your meal-prepped ingredients to create delicious and nutritious lunches. This way, you can avoid the temptation of unhealthy fast food. By planning ahead, you are less likely to rely on expensive and unhealthy takeout options. Meal prepping empowers you to make better food choices, leading to a healthier lifestyle overall. Plus, meal prepping can bring people together. Sharing meal prep tips and recipes with friends and family can be a bonding experience. Keep your fridge organized with labeled containers. This makes it easy to grab what you need and keeps your meals fresh and tasty. Enjoy the benefits of meal prepping throughout your day. Whether at work or at home, having a prepped meal can keep you energized and focused. As you get into the habit of meal prepping, planning your meals and grocery shopping will become second nature. You'll find yourself more organized and less stressed about what to eat. Ultimately, mastering the art of meal prep is about creating a routine that works for you. It's about enjoying the process and reaping the benefits of a healthier, more organized lifestyle. Share your meal prep successes with others. You might inspire someone else to start their own meal prep journey. Remember, it's all about making small, sustainable changes that lead to big results. Bargain hunting. Finding the best deals on groceries. Knowing where to shop for groceries can make a big difference in your budget. Farmers markets are a great option for fresh produce at affordable prices. Local farms often sell their products at farmers markets, cutting out the middleman and reducing costs. You can find seasonal fruits and vegetables at their peak freshness. Many grocery stores offer discounts and loyalty programs. Sign up for these programs to take advantage of special deals and earn rewards. Don't be afraid to compare prices between different stores. Sometimes one store might have better deals on specific items than another. Cooking up savings, delicious and budget-friendly recipes. In today's fast-paced world, finding time to cook at home can be challenging, but it's worth the effort. Not only does it save you money, but it also brings families together, creating cherished memories in the kitchen. Cooking at home is generally much cheaper than eating out. Plus, you have full control over the ingredients, ensuring a healthier meal. When you prepare your own meals, you can choose fresh, high-quality ingredients and avoid the hidden sugars, salts, and unhealthy fats often found in restaurant dishes. This way, you can cater to your dietary needs and preferences, making every meal a personalized experience. Let's start with a simple and delicious recipe: black bean soup. This hearty soup is not only easy to make, but also packed with nutrients. Black beans are a great source of protein and fiber, making this dish both filling and nutritious. You'll need 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 can of black beans, 4 cups of vegetable broth, and spices like cumin and chili powder. These ingredients are affordable and easy to find, making this recipe perfect for those on a budget. Sauté the chopped onion and garlic in a pot, then add the beans, broth, and spices. The aroma of the sautéing onions and garlic will fill your kitchen, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Once the beans and broth are added, the soup begins to take on a rich, savory flavor. Let it simmer for 30 minutes, then blend until smooth. Simmering allows the flavors to meld together, creating a deep, complex taste. Blending the soup gives it a creamy texture, making it feel indulgent without the need for heavy cream. You can top it with fresh cilantro and a dollop of yogurt. The cilantro adds a burst of freshness, while the yogurt provides a tangy contrast to the rich soup. This simple garnish elevates the dish, making it look and taste gourmet. Another budget-friendly recipe is tuna salad. This versatile dish can be enjoyed on its own, in a sandwich, or as a topping for a green salad. It's perfect for a quick lunch or a light dinner. Mix canned tuna with Greek yogurt instead of mayonnaise. Greek yogurt is a healthier alternative, providing a creamy texture without the added fat and calories of mayonnaise. Plus, it adds a slight tanginess that complements the tuna perfectly. Add chopped celery, onion, and seasonings for a healthy and satisfying meal. The crunch of the celery and the sharpness of the onion add texture and flavor, making each bite interesting. Season with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice to brighten the flavors. This simple yet delicious tuna salad is a testament to how easy it can be to create healthy, budget-friendly meals at home. Eating well, no matter what your budget is possible with the right approach. Making healthy choices affordable is all about being strategic and resourceful. Eating healthy on a budget is achievable with some planning and creativity. Start by setting a budget for your groceries and stick to it. Remember to prioritize whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, and grains. These foods are not only packed with essential nutrients, but are also generally more affordable than processed options. When you focus on these nutrient-dense foods, you get more value for your money. Fresh produce can sometimes be expensive, but there are ways to make it more affordable. Take advantage of budget-friendly protein sources such as beans, lentils, and eggs. These items are not only cost-effective, but also versatile and nutritious. You can use them in a variety of dishes, from soups and stews to salads and casseroles. Plan your meals, make a grocery list, and cook at home as much as possible. Meal planning helps you avoid impulse buys and ensures you use all the ingredients you purchase. Cooking at home allows you to control the ingredients and portion sizes, making it easier to eat healthily. Look for deals at farmers markets and grocery stores, and don't be afraid to try new recipes. Farmers markets often have fresh, local produce at lower prices, and grocery stores frequently offer discounts on seasonal items. By making smart choices and incorporating these tips, you can nourish your body without overspending. Experiment with different recipes and cooking methods to keep your meals interesting and enjoyable. Remember, good nutrition is a valuable investment in your health and well-being. Eating well doesn't have to be expensive. With a little effort and creativity, you can make healthy choices that fit your budget and lifestyle. So, start today and take the first step towards a healthier, more affordable way of eating.